Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to calculate days between two dates Excel. We will start by opening the document in Excel. There you can see the start date and end date that you will use. After this, enter the equal sign in the desired cell, then first enter the end date minus the start date. When you press enter, you will see the number of days between two dates. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.